Do strong unknown signals have better loot than regular unknown signals?
They should have they should give you a rarer cosmetic.
Oh, yeah, because they got kids' pajamas, too. But, like, still, same quality of... Yeah, same quality of loot. No frickin' space credits. Okay, time to die.
Actually, since we're getting close to that time. Oh, by the way, I started recording.
Oh, hey! Welcome to a new episode of Space Engineers. This guy never tells me when he starts recording, so it's kinda hard to do introductions.
There we go.
Not that I'm impolite, I just said he never notifies me.
I'm like a convenience store now.
What do you mean?
Look at, well, once you come back, you'll see my character. You kind of look like a fan from a distance. Like one of those ventilation fans. Yeah, push it right here. No, it's not. Oh, that's what we never changed. We never changed from realistic sounds to normal sounds for my airlock.
Oh, okay.
I also
Currently
gave
on
the
my
ship
way
a bit
back.
more. I'm pretty sure the viewer saw last time, but I gave the ship a bit more power.
How?
The steer is wrong. STA. Red. To future. I don't know if I had that on still. There we go. If only I had a ton of viewers at this time, I would ask them how. Let's see. So it's azimuth. No, that's a launcher. Where was it? It's like a thruster. Like, what are azimuth thrusters? Are they? Like, I think they have their own hydrogen.
Okay, I have arrived with only resources but a new cosmetic.
Yeah, they have their own hydrogen. What are these thrusters? Are these ion? Are these atmospheric? Are they just like hydrogen and they're both? I don't know.
What are you talking about?
The azimuth thrusters. What are these? These guns? Oh, yeah, it's an elevator. Where are ya?
Where should I deposit the component?
This is what I mean by I'm a convenience store now. Look at me. Guess which holiday I'm set up for.
Christmas?
And guess what convenience stores have up right now.
Christmas?
Yeah. What the heck? Did you get damaged? Wait. Do that again.
What?
I somehow got damaged, but you're getting too close. It doesn't happen anymore.
I used my No. I did this. Oh, it doesn't look like I'm holding the grinder on your screen.
No, it doesn't.
Wait, let me try.
What about me? Does it look like I'm holding my grinder?
Yeah.
Really? Now
There
you're
we go.
holding a grinder.
I just had to switch tools.
Do welder hurt?
No.
That's weird. It should hurt. At
I guess.
least if we had
I guess the
suit
logic
damage.
is. I guess the logic is that these suits are like flame-proof.
In real life, it
Or
should do like suit damage.
Okay,
Oh, it's
seeing
your
as.
ship- no, your ship's not set up for printing yet.
Yeah, that's what I need your help with.
Just needs to go up one. Well, up two actually. That would be vertical offset.
But I need to place the block first.
No, you can put it up two. You'll still see the projection. You just need to put it up two, which is
Okay.
vertical offset.
If I can find it. So, projector.
I need to add that plugin mod again. That's down. That's high.
Trying to hit.
Stop!
Nick.
And I know this. I need to put this. Ah! Wrong!
Oh, other way? Okay.
Wrong. Just set that back to 0. You were fine before. There.
How? Oh, yeah. And now you can reactivate all the bobs. Oh, wait! No, stop!
What?
Do you not see the back end?
Oh.
It's gonna be inside of the refinery.
Whoops. Wrong one. Grinding only.
Okay. So forward offset.
Yep.
Now
One
check,
more.
is it...
One more. Right one. No. You had it right before. You just had to move it right one, which is horizontal.
Oh, that's vertical.
There. Nope, back. There. Really?
You're out of steam.
Give me that. There.
Now let's try it.
BUI.
Now that it won't build into the thing.
Oh, you turn off build new.
Okay, so it's 63% filled on hydrogen.
Yep.
So it's almost filled.
You can look inside of the big ship to see what I mean by added more power.
I'm gonna get more ice for the eclipse.
Okay. Oops, wrong button.
Why won't the drills activate?
I don't know. Where's the port on this? Ah.
Oh, there's a section called drills and it's turned off.
Unknown technology. I had to research it first. What? Why do we have access to...
Oh, come on.
Artificial mass? Well, let's build an artificial mass then. There we go.
What are you trying to unlock? What are you trying
There
to
we go.
unlock?
I don't know. Did we activate progression?
Yeah,
Why?
because I wanted to.
Locked a lot of things.
What's wrong with it?
Well, we previously had access to jump drives, and now I had to force us to have jump drives.
Are you sure you're using the same kind of jump drive?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You super duper 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 duper.
Yes. Shut up. It's tied. The small grid jump drive is tied to the large grid jump drive. So that means it's tied to the same area of the progression tree. We have access.
And wow. There we go. Should now be refueling the Eclipse. With all the new ice I got.
Do we got any uranium?
Yeah, a ton. So how's the main ship doing?
Well, go check the inside.
Dang, what's this thing? Deuterium fusion reactor.
Check the gigawatt of it.
1 gigawatt. Oh, you got 2 of them? How are we supposed to refuel then?
Through the reactors.
But I mean, like, what fuel do they take?
Deuterium canisters.
And where do we get deuterium?
Right out in space.
And can we go to space yet?
Technically, yes, I think the Eclipse has enough fuel. And also, your mining ship here has both atmospheric and ion thrusters.
Yeah, because I designed it that way. I specifically chose
No, this
one
miner
that...
right here.
Oh. Not the Peaky?
No.
Do you want to go to space now in our ships? Or is... Like, is the main ship even capable of flying?
Should be.
Let me try.
Oh boy.
It's my... You said I'm the one flying this thing. Because you want to fly
Take
your
the
dumb...
blueprint!
Fine.
Which is
How do
similar
I
to
do
save
that?
scumming.
What?
Which is similar to save scumming, which is basically if you try to.
I know what saves coming is.
Okay.
I just didn't hear you.
Oh,
So how do I take a blueprint again?
Control B.
Okay, Control B.
B.
Yeah, B.
Okay, I
The
thought you
B,
said
as
P.
in B.
I thought you
The
meant.
insect.
I thought you meant P as in pink.
How do I change the title? To main ship.
Oh,
Go.
that's right. It's gotta go through all of the superconductors.
V. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So let's try pressing the space bar.
Oh boy!
Holy moly, it goes up fast.
Yeah, it should have enough thrust when you get to the other planets to float.
Oh yeah,
You can turn up the
something-
hydrogen if you want. Did it add any upwards? Wait. Wait. Ah!
What?
Z. I might need to bring it back down because I don't think I have any upwards facing ions.
Oh.
Be careful when bringing it back down. Tier 2.
Oh yeah, because you have upward facing Atmos.
Right by Scorpio.
Okay.
Same spot.
It jumps up way too high.
Yeah, roundabout.
I want to seal this thingy. Which button activates the pressurization?
None. Oh! In there. It's just the one button that's lit.
Oh. It's not doing anything though.
Don't press it multiple times. Don't press it multiple times. It'll do stuff.
I pressed it multiple times.
Well, you probably screwed it up.
I'm sorry. I didn't.
That, I think, is depressure, I think. Yeah, that's depressurization. One sec.
So how do I activate pressurization?
It's all the same button, but I've already activated it.
It's on the outside?
No, it's on the. It's pretty much the same button on that panel. I didn't want to make two different buttons for it. Wait a sec. No, it should be pressurized. Yeah, we need to change to normal sounds next video so we can have a working alarm, because that alarm seems to be borked.
Do we need the alarm?
Yes!
Why?
It makes it a whole lot more cool. Have an alarm.
I want it to pressurize so that I don't have to worry about the frickin' fog.
Oh, that's not gonna change it.
How do I get rid of it then?
The fog?
Yeah.
You go deep enough underground.
Of course it can somehow phase through doors.
Nick, that's the easier way to program it, is to not have it have multiple areas. Like, there's, like, in games, like the Source engine, you would have triggers for that. And it's like a trigger to start the fog, and then a trigger to end the fog. This game, you don't have any of that. So it's not gonna be all like, oh, you went through a door and now the door is pressurized, and it's gonna room with... No! Because there's no way for you to set up a trigger like that. It could be like a door that's just like out on its own, that's like for like a gate, like, or a fence or whatever. So they're not gonna have a trigger for that, and then they're not gonna like make... Probably not even gonna make it so complex that it's gonna know that you have it leading into an actual room instead of the outside.
Okay.
By the way, I don't know how many jump drives you had in this thing. I'm assuming 1. Your jump drive's almost complete on this.
Oh, so they're all focusing on that instead of the thrust.
Pretty much. It's almost done.
Well, I'm glad that we're finally being able to use this main ship.
Mm-hmm.
I probably said it a couple times, but it's just so that I have something to say.
Mm-hmm. So we've been recording for 22 minutes.
Can't wait to finally start reaching the end of the series by going to space.
Pretty much.
Once we reach space, all we have to do is just set up a tiny base on every planet, and we're good. And then finally we can get back to the yet-to-be-completed stone block.
Then you can enjoy me, Junk Punk. Which is not actually all that bad. Junk Punk, you terraform a planet by making a factory.
No, after stone block, seeing as this is technically your turn, we're gonna be doing Minecraft Dungeons, which he spoiled. I wanted to keep it in. Wouldn't have it be a surprise, but he had to let it leak, so fine. Can't wait for Minecraft Dungeons. Haven't played it before, so it'll be a pretty blind playthrough.
Same for me, and I don't really... I guess, yeah, since you said you didn't really like SE, you're allowed to say I'm not allowed to say I don't like it. Like that kind of game for me to get out of it.
What kind of game?
Minecraft Dungeons, I don't like those types of battle styles.
What's wrong with it?
It's just, I guess, like, what you always say to me is, like, I don't have this specific reason. It's just, the style of it itself is just something I don't like. It's just, I like being in first person and doing the battles. Sort of like this. I'm more into, like, the first person shooters. And, no, I do not mean multiplayer shooters. I am CRAP at those. It takes way too long to... Like, I take more time trying to aim than I do trying to shoot. But it's, like, I don't know why I do that, and I do that in like, actual multiplayer, and I don't actually try to aim when I'm in, like, me versus the computer. So me versus the computer, I'm like, I don't need to really aim. Probably because I know that the computer is probably going to force itself to miss. Which is going to have to be a stormtrooper in this.
Oh well.
Maybe after Dungeons he'll play Junk Punk with me.
Well, yeah, after Dungeons it would be your turn. Still haven't considered what we'll do after Junk Punk, though. I wonder, do you have any plans to edit videos?
I know I should, like, remove stuff like this. Just watch
Really?
yourself build and then we're gonna have to make videos longer to accommodate for that, so we actually have 30-minute videos after all the editing's
Or
done.
maybe we could just have like 15-minute videos. We record for 30 minutes, but just scrap around half
probably
the
record an
footage.
hour. Probably, because there's gonna be a
What do
lot
you
of
want 30
footage.
minutes?
Like, if it's like this, I'm like, oh, we need an hour to actually record.
But still, we get a lot done within 30 minutes.
Main problem is I have to find a good editing software.
That won't show a huge watermark.
Pretty much. Like
I remember
Bandicam shows a huge watermark. So I'm using OBS. OBS has never shown me a watermark, and it's free. It's a free recording software that doesn't show a watermark, which is nice.
But don't use Bandicoot.
Yeah,
It's just as bad. It shows a huge advert in the beginning of each video you edit.
Let me guess, unless you pay for it, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
Also research. I also don't like doing editing because it may cut off like what we're trying to say.
Then listen to the video.
But we talk a lot during the boring parts, and I'm going to have to cut out the boring parts. Which is why it's best for me not to do much editing. Well, I guess for the most part we're talking a lot, but still.
Because my personal belief here is, if we start editing the videos, we might actually get a bit bigger.
But the thing
people
is, when I look at my analytics, people only watch for a few seconds. They don't really get further.
I didn't know that YouTube actually shows how long people will actually stay on your video.
Oh, it does.
I wonder if it's just because they're misclicking.
Oh, here's one of the bad things YouTube is doing. They're going to remove the dislike button, so you can't tell whether a video is actually good or if it's just really, really bad and it's a scam video.
And apparently it's because they want to help small creators like us. So all it does is nothing really. It's just going to make comments a lot more toxic because it's the only way people can vent their tiny bits of anger at a video.
Yeah. Luckily, even though other people have been seeing it, I haven't, like, have you seen the dislike button just go to dislike?
No?
Me neither, even though other people have. I haven't seen it yet. Here or on the app. I haven't seen the dislike button just say dislike and not just a number. It's still a number for me. On both the website and the app. The thruster should be ready.
Okay, let's try taking this thing to space.
Okay. I still need to know whether the azimuth thrusters are
Boy, this thing could jump up fast.
or both atmospheric and space, or if they're just
Yo, I'm going so
atmospheric
fast
or
that
just space.
I can see the effect for the fusion reactor.
Ouch. 73%. I could probably go to space right now with this thing.
Might want to stop.
Pretty sure that, mining ship. It is. Ouch! It is landing gear back here, right? Yeah. What can I attach this to? Ooh, I'll take a note right here.
Are the ions even activated on the ship?
Oh, on your mining? The mining one?
No, on the main.
Your main one. Yes, they are.
Okay, good. I would hate to
I
get
was
to
wondering,
space.
I was taking a second, like, what do you mean?
Okay, just gotta reach space.
Whoa! I was holding
Okay.
control trying to go down, and here it's
20k away from space.
Okay, I just gotta get the landing gear to lock.
I feel like most of my thrust just came from the huge amount of atmo.
Probably.
Because now that I'm in space, I'm going a lot slower.
I'm gonna see if we can take
Hope I
on
don't
these
hit an
cargo containers with us.
asteroid. What? So Silo 2 warhead self-destruct.
Uh-oh. You don't have a
What
shield
if-
on that thing, by the way, Nick.
What?
You don't have a shield. Unless you put one on, you don't have a shield. And by the way, the shield generator itself only works outside of the ship.
But it says that they're... Why does it say they're friendly then?
As in their friendly signals?
Yeah, 47 friendly signals. And heck, it starts with the beginning of our clan name.
Oh, wait.
USB. USB Silo 2 warhead self-destruct.
Oh. I forgot to set those up, didn't I? Not set, like, as in blow them up, but set them off as set off, turn on HUD off.
What are those?
Warheads,
For...
the encounter.
with...
They're just warheads! You don't need to worry about them. Like, even if you trigger them, they're gonna take an hour to detonate. That's why I've set their timer to, is 1 hour. So you definitely have a lot of time to get out of there before they go kaboom.
So, do you have the Eclipse in space yet?
Not yet.
Because I currently have the main in space.
Oh, wait, I might want to close that ramp. I brought the miner. Do we have what it takes to... Oh, here's steel plate. I don't know if that's no steel plate. Oh,
What's
wait.
a space... I doubt I like the idea of a space pirate salvage station.
Do you have a refinery on here? Oh, we have a basic refinery. Well, we have 2 basic refineries. Okay, that's good. What about an assembler? Okay, we have
Okay, I hope
2
this ship
assemblers
is...
on here. Okay, good. So we have everything we need to set up a base using the Eclipse. You don't have... Well, actually, yeah, you do even... You have refineries on that thing and assemblers. Why am I being worried about that here? Oh, wait, I didn't close the ramp.
Oh. This ship has no artificial gravity.
I think... Wait, does the Eclipse have artificial gravity?
This ship has no artificial gravity. So without my jetpack, I'm kinda screwed.
Crap. Yeah, this has a gravity generator. What's it set to? Negative 9.8 meters per second squared? Yeah, that's 1G.
Okay, I found a
I
problem.
forget, you keep on distracting me!
And reorientate myself.
Keep
Wondering
distracting
why
me.
everything looked upside down.
That's not the
Enough
button.
things.
That's the button.
Yeah, I found a problem with this ship. It needs an artificial crap.
You have Mac boots, you should be fine.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you have Mac boots.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
They're not an item, nincompoop.
But, well, I'm kind of stuck here.
Orientate yourself to be level with the ship's floor. force yourself down, and then press X. Mag boots.
Oh, I was wondering how I was able to walk around here so fine when we have no gravity. But the second I start to... The second there's a tiniest bit of air in between me and the ground. Oh yeah, I kind of like how your boots start to glow when their magnets are activated. Okay, we need to, I'm gonna get the ship down to the base so that we can install an artificial gravity. Because without an artificial gravity, this it's gonna be pretty hard to walk around. But hey, this thing can go to space now, so that's cool.
Why are we... I can't go to space yet because something's weighing me down. How much ice is still in this ship? None. This thing forcing me down? Shouldn't be. But turn over to inertial dampeners.
Trying to go down to the planet at a reasonable speed so that I don't slam in.
I don't know if this is a problem. If this doesn't fix it, I'm just gonna delete those. Let's see. Let's just see it's not a simple, like, copy-paste thing. Oh, if... Right before I do copy-pasta it... set the ship to the bench so it's just... on. Okay. That is a bit cheaty, but... That's weird. Do I need the hydrogens? Uh-oh.
I think when I activate my thrusters, my battery life increases.
Save. Okay.
From 87 days to 114.
Which planet are we trying to get to?
Any.
Or are we trying to get to the moon first? The moon's closer.
Yeah, let's get to the moon first as a starting point.
Okay.
Just to see how well our planet, see how well our ships do flying around.
I think every single planet has like the same resources.
Wait, does this thing have a jump drive?
Yes. Has multiple.
Let me see. Jump. Okay, good. Jump drive 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm I'm gonna set a group of jump drives. Okay, how do I set a new group?
You just control, click. Oh, that's a fail. Control, click on them. Then you just type it in there.
Jump drives. And save. Okay. Why can't I see the group name now?
Should be at the top.
Okay, good. Jump drives. And then G. Jump drives. Add it to the toolbar. And then... which one will activate the jump?
You just
Toggle.
Oh, you don't do group. You can't do it from the group.
Oh. So I have to add each one individually?
No, it will just use the power of one.
So how do I use up all of their... oh, do I just use them one at a...
yeah, just one will use all.
oh. That's useful.
Am I actually still going higher or am I falling?
Okay. Jump drive, jump. Okay, back to returning to the planet, because I still need to do that.
I need a copy pasta of the ship. Okay. Hopefully... why is this open? I must have forgotten.
So where would I put an artificial gravity thing?
Anywhere, I guess. Preferably the center of the ship.
So anywhere on the ship?
Yeah.
And it'll point to be pulled toward the ship's bottom, or the artificial gravity itself.
Uh-oh.
Why?
We're not high... I'm not high enough in space for the ship. That ship's gonna fall. It's not gonna crash, it's just... hopefully. I think it has enough thrust for it not to crash, but we're not gonna have a miner, apparently.
Unless we build a new one.
Yeah...
we're gonna need a ship
I should have been higher in space for that, but I couldn't get higher in space because I needed to copy-paste the ship. Because I think through some loading, it broke. Okay. I don't think we'll just save this. Now, I wonder if this was enough to make it fly while it was in... yeah, it wasn't enough for it to fly in atmosphere. I remember. It's a bit screwy. Oh, is that you? Hello!
Oh, hey, did I pass you?
No, do you see me out there?
Hey!
Hello? Wait, are you
I'm
falling?
currently going down to the planet
Oh.
because this thing needs artificial gravity, or else I'm gonna have a real hard time getting from place to place.
You do know the resources for that are probably in space, and you have refineries, and you have assemblers, so you can just refine the materials in order to get an artificial gravity generator, right? Those materials are out in space.
Fine, I'll follow you.
Yeah, let's try to get an asteroid patch that's near the moon. Where is the...
Okay.
Actually, where is the moon anyways?
Might want to find out where you are first. Okay, where are
Is
you?
that the moon? No, that's Triton. Where is the moon? Europa, Titan. Okay, GPS.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
Titan, Triton.
Where are you going?
There we go. Yeah, that helped. Where is moon? Okay. Want me to give you a GPS where the moon's at?
I'm gonna reach you first.
Oh. Okay. And maybe...
Let's hope I can stop moving in a circle.
There you go.
So, where would that be at? So, get rid of... need to get rid of those.
Is the Eclipse's main
Delete.
thrust just... Looks like its main thrust is hydrogen-based, which is... Eh.
There we go. Where is the moon?
I want to get a bit higher.
Is that the moon? No, the moon would have a thingy on it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
The moon is the planet is in between us and the moon. Okay.
Yeah.
First, I gotta set myself to face the coordinate, or at least the way it.
You won't be able to jump to it from here.
Because of atmosphere in the way.
And planet.
Yeah, because it won't let you just phase through physical matter.
Not anymore. Pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it used to be a thing, though. You just go, I'm gonna phase through the planet. And you're like... And then in reality, the scientists be like... What? By the way, we may
Okay,
wanna,
first you show me where the materials for the artificial jump drive would be.
Not artificial... Gravity generator, you mean?
Gravity generator.
They be in asteroids. The heck is near me? An SBRT salvage station.
Oh no, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I think. I don't know. I can't stop my momentum.
Well, if you go into atmosphere, you should be fine. Those thrusters are more than enough. Guess I should have given you tier 2 thrust. Oh, we already are in asteroids. Are these turrets armed? No.
I just want to stop moving.
I'm gonna arm these turrets. Oh, the Bofors are armed too. Cool. Wait, are those Bofors? No, those aren't Bofors. Those are something else. Oh, man. Don't want to be stranded on space when I'm out of fuel. Wonder if there's a mod that kind of makes hydrogen a bit more... This ship burns through it like it's its favorite energy drink.
I be zooming through the planet currently.
You should be fine.
I really just want to go back to the base to get the artificial artificial gravity generator.
Well, you have mag boots. You should be good.
But what if I jump? Heck, moving around my base sometimes makes me lose
Then Control
grip.
Z to the ship. You won't lose it then. Do you mean like while it's moving?
No, while it's stationary.
Then you don't have to Control Z. You'll be fine. You have a jetpack. And also that thing has a ton of hydrogen in it, so you won't have to worry about running out of hydrogen anytime soon.
Oh, it's already low.
Really?
22.
That's because you've been burning through it.
I don't have anything to turn them off.
You should. Thought I'd set up a group for that.
Nope.
This is gonna be one of our longer videos. Is that 4K? Oh, right, this station's not gonna have much to throw against me, because I have shields, and I have a really good power supply.
Okay, now that I'm in Atmo, I'm just gonna fly this thingy back to base because you're dumb, and I don't want to mine asteroids. I want to use the resources we already have. Thank you.
Probably don't have the resources there.
Also, would like to fill this thing up with ice. I doubt you installed a connector.
No, I don't. There's no connector on there. Used to be. When the internals were showing, that's where the connector used to be. Not anymore.
This thing needs connectors.
Where are the weapons on this ship? Vulcans. Where are this? Really? Is it the target stations? Target grids, yeah. What does this do? Wonder where they were doing anything. I did choose the right one, right? I was about to say. Look at my power!
My ship has no defenses.
Nope, not even shields. I better be careful going up to this thing. I've used up 50%, well, not really 50%, but around about 25% of my fuel. Yeah, this thing ain't shooting at me anymore. Am I still set to use all terminals? Yeah. Space pirates. So I can. Stop it.
Okay, I'm almost at the base, but I think I'm gonna zoom past it. Unless I can slow down really quickly.
That's weird.
Okay, I think I might not zoom past it. That's a maybe.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm not gonna zoom past it. I'm gonna add more speed.
Oh, there was a. Oh. Who didn't. Why didn't anybody tell me there was a warhead inside this thing? I was gonna salvage this. I don't think I have a cargo container anywhere.
Inside the Eclipse?
Nope.
No, you have cargo.
Well, I don't have an empty one, I mean.
Why are they all full?
Ammo.
Do you really need so many cargo things full of ammo?
Yes. Oh boy. If only I could, like, have a button that says hide full.
Boy, the base looks empty without the Eclipse sitting there.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, because the Eclipse is like the biggest part of the base. Okay, I zoomed past it a little.
Yeah. Holy cow. There is no spot on this ship that isn't full. Oh, except for the assemblers. Yeah, I have a ton of stuff.
Okay, so where should I place the artificial gravity?
You know what? If we can get
What's it called, actually? What's it called?
gravity generator. Don't know why my welder's not doing things.
So should I use gravity generator or spherical gravity generator?
Normal, not spherical. Spherical would mean. Nick, what do you think a spherical gravity generator would do? Like, what would be similar to?
Planet?
Yeah,
Okay, so where should I put this thingy?
preferably in the center.
Should it be facing upside down?
No, right side up.
But I can't rotate it.
Well, if you can't rotate it, that's good. It should be on the ground. No, it should be on the ground. It only has one connection point.
So, would here be good?
Yeah, if it's in the center.
I think that's the center. No, that is definitely not the center. Center would be more of like... center would be more of like here, right?
I don't know. Maybe.
There. Wouldn't that be more of the center? Yeah, I think that would.
How much of the space is just floating block?
And gravity generator complete. So, does that mean that it's good, or do I have to do settings inside of it?
No, it should be good. Like, it should be already set to 1 G of gravity.
Okay, time to test it by going back to space after I fill this thing up.
Yep.
And there goes all the sealing I did. Because we're in atmosphere and I'm gonna stay in here for a while. So do I just press the thingy once for it to pressurize?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is this? This is what's a salvage station, right? Encounter salvage station. Let me see if I can get a blueprint of that. Encounter salvage station. And set this to blueprint. Oh, I do have one. Potential station? Yeah, I'm gonna scratch that. So I can easily rebuild this. Let's place a projector on here.
Okay.
And I get some building repairs on this thing. And I get resources.
Where should I put a connector if I were to put one on? That is dangerously close. To
Probably at the
ground.
back end of the thrusters is the easiest point, because that already has exposed conveyor points. I don't know what's going on with my motor.
So I'm just gonna set a.
Energy low.
Did I seriously die from that? I was moving at such a low speed. Also, we gotta get a couple beds in there.
I was gonna build those anyways. Oh, this is
Okay, so
disconnected.
which Bob took all my garbage?
One of them. That one's no longer connected. You know what? It's gonna build these anyways.
Energy critical.
How much energy do I have? 7.
There's all my oxygen and hydrogen bottles.
3. You know what? What are we already at? We're at an hour and 5.